Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hisam Academy, your go-to channel to learn English language with your mentor Sumbul Rizvi. So, do you ever feel like that your English sounds like a little robotic? Like I get up in the morning, I go to washroom, I have my breakfast. Sounds boring and dull at tedious, right? So today I'm going to teach you some linking words in English language. Linking words. What do they mean? As its name suggests, that linking words are basically those words which are used to connect two sentences. Like for example, you can say that I don't like tea, I don't have it. So this sentence looks like quite incomplete, right? So you can add so. I don't like tea, so I don't have it. So is basically a linking word. And today I'm going to teach you a list of linking words that you can use in different situations. So because this is a very learning topic, so let's get into it. Stay with me till the end and watch this video completely if you really want to learn linking words, because we have got a very fun and exciting quiz for you people to test what you have learned actually. If you like my videos and if you think that my videos are actually helpful for you to learn English language, so do not forget to like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn English language on daily basis. Okay, there are two more words for linking words, and they are connectors and transition words. Why transition words? Because with the help of these words, you can easily get transition from one sentence to another sentence, like very smoothly. Or you can also call them connectors. Connectors is very simple because they are used to connect two sentences. Like for example, if you want to say that I was tired, I went to bed early. So this sentence is, like quite incomplete. So you can say that I was really tired, so I went to bed early. So here, so is basically your connector. Okay, so firstly, we are going to learn those linking words that you can easily use whenever you want to add some more information to your sentence. So the first one is and, obviously. Like for example, if you want to say that I like tea, coffee. So this sentence is incomplete. So you have to say that I like tea and coffee. And means like there is another addition of something, and that is coffee. So and is a linking word. Moreover. Moreover is also used to add some information. Like for example, you can say that she is hardworking. Moreover, she is kind. It means that she is kind also. Similarly, you can say not only but also. Like for example, you can make your sentence that not only did she complete her homework, but also she helped her friend. It means that she not only completed her work, but she also helped her friend. Or you can use the word additionally. Like for example, you can say that we want qualified people. Additionally, experience will be necessary. So whenever you want to add some another information or extra piece of information, so you can use all these linking words. Okay, now here is a mini quiz for you. Complete your sentence. I love listening to music. Dash, I love playing guitar. And you have got three options. And, additionally, or both of them. Comment your answers in the comment section. Okay, now we are going to learn those linking words that we can use whenever we want to give sort of explanations to them, like whenever we want to give some reasons for explanations, or we can also use them for the results or for the outcomes. So these are the linking words that we can easily use. Like for example, the first one is because. We all know, like, why do we use because? Because is used when we want to or we have to give sort of explanations to people. Like for example, you can say that I stayed home because it was raining outside. So because it was raining outside, that's why you stayed home. So it means that you are giving reason to someone. You may also use so to give explanation or to give reasons to someone. Like for example, you can say that he was late, so he took a taxi. So now over here, the person or I am giving you the reason that why I took taxi. So that's why I can use so. As a result. As a result is also used to give any kind of reason or, like this happened or this was the outcome or result. Like for example, I can say that she studied really hard. As a result, she passed her examination with really good marks. So because she studied really hard, very well, so that's why, like she got good marks. So because I am giving you or I'm telling you the result or the consequence, so that's why I can use as a result over here. Due to. to. Okay, now due to is also used to give reasons to someone. Like for example, you can say that we got late due to heavy traffic. It means that you are once again giving reason that we got late because of heavy traffic. So you can also use due to over here. Since my mother is ill, comma, I cannot come to office. Or you can say, I cannot come to office since my mother is ill. Both of the versions, they are absolutely correct. Now here is a mini practice for you, and that is, I didn't sleep well last night, dash, I feel tired today. And you have got three options. So, however, and. Choose very wisely. Now we are going to learn linking words for contrast. It means like when you have to show differences between two opinions or like two sentences. So you can use these linking words. But I like coffee, but she likes tea. So it means that the opinion is different. The test was really difficult. However, I passed. So however is basically the linking word, and you are using it over here because you are telling this thing to someone that it was really difficult, but I passed it. On the other hand, Ali loves parties. On the other hand, I prefer quiet places. It means that he and I, we both are totally different people and we have got totally different preferences. Now these two linking words, and you need to understand them very carefully, so that's why I'll be giving you some examples in Urdu language too. The first one is although. Okay, although का मतलब होता है कि कोई चीज के होने के बावजूद भी आपका कुछ काम करना. Like for example, you can say that although it was raining outside, यानी कि हालांकि बारिश हो रही थी, still we went outside. जबकि बाहर बारिश हो रही थी, लेकिन फिर भी हम बाहर गए. So whenever you have to say something like this, so you can use the word although. The next one is quite similar to the previous one although, and that is despite. यानी कि किसी चीज के होने के बावजूद किसी दूसरी चीज का होना. So you can say that he remains a great or calm leader despite age. यानी कि इतनी एज होने के बावजूद भी वो एक बहुत ही calm और एक बहुत ही अच्छा लीडर है. Okay, now here is a mini quiz for you, and that is that imagine your friend says this thing to you. I love spicy food. But you will gonna reply to him that dash, I can't eat anything spicy. Now you have got three options over here. However, so, and end. So think and reply. Now we are going to learn some linking words for time. It means like when you have got a lot of work to do in a day, so you cannot use then all the time. I did this, then I did this, then I did this. Like when you have got, like number of the events or number of work or plenty of work, so you need to use something that will gonna identify that which one was the work that you first and then secondly, thirdly, and like so on. So you need to learn some good linking words to describe something related to time. Okay, so firstly, you can use the linking word firstly. Okay, so you can say that firstly, we need to buy groceries. Then is basically the second linking word that you can use. Then we need to visit the doctor. After that is the third linking word. After that, we need to go to the park. And finally is the last linking word that I'm providing you. And finally, we need to go home. So it means that you can use many linking words to say something related to your time. Instead of repeating the same thing over and over again, you can use different linking words. Now you need to add linking words accordingly. Eat dinner, watch some TV, go to bed. Now, like insert linking words very wisely and comment your answers. Okay, now linking words for highlighting some important points. Like for example, assume that you have got a full proper paragraph, but you need to highlight some points, okay? Like 2 or 3 points, you need to highlight them. So what are those linking words that you can easily use? Let's get into it. Particularly, so you can use it in a way like I like fruits, particularly apples. So it means that you are saying that overall you like fruits, but un tamam fruits mein se bhi particularly you love or you like apples. Similarly, you can use another linking word like specifically. Okay, specifically is basically used to say something related to something specific. Like for example, you can say that I love traveling specifically with my friends. So it means that you like to travel with everyone, but you like the most or you enjoy it the most when you are traveling with your friends. So particularly and specifically, these two are very important linking words. Here is another mini practice for you. I love shopping or I like shopping dash buying new bags. So you need to add a linking word over here. Now we need to learn some linking words when you need to give your opinion. You know, like everyone, they need to give their opinion. हर किसी को देनी है, you know, like unsolicited opinions and their advices bina mange. So this is really important. So the first one you can use is in my opinion. Okay, so you can say that in my opinion, women should be equally treated as men. Very important point to be noted. So in my opinion is the linking word that you can use. I believe, okay, it's another linking word. So I believe that overly dressed is overrated because I like simple. So you can use I believe when you want to give your opinion. In my view, okay, in my view, okay, you have got a very wide view, so you can say that in my view we should give him some more space. Okay, that's your opinion. The next one that you can use is I agree. When you agree to something, like for example, you can say that I agree to this solution and I think this works best. So you can use these two linking words to give your opinion. Now, lastly, we are going to learn those linking words that you can easily use when you have to give, you know, like examples to someone related to something. So the first one is for example, like you can say that I like fruits. For example, I eat banana every day. Okay, so because you are giving examples, so that's why you are using for example. Such as, I like outdoor activities such as cycling or playing badminton. Such as is also used to give examples. Like, I prefer warm drinks like tea or coffee. So it means that you like these things. Like is basically for example. Okay, like is used over here to give examples like tea and coffee. Now here is a short practice for you, and this one is she is into gadgets dash iPad, iPhones, and by the way, she's me actually. Okay, so I am leaving a very funny, not funny actually, but a very exciting activity for you people. And you need to click on this link, and from the Google Drive, you would be able to download that PDF file. And it's a very short exercise having only 5 fill in the blanks, and you need to attempt it and you need to comment down your answers in the comment section so that I can know that how much you have actually learned from this video. That's all for today, and now it's your time to use all these linking words that I've provided you to make your English sound more natural and more smooth and more fluent. So it's your time now, and your time starts now, by the way. So if you like this video and if you learned something from this lesson related to English language, so do not forget to like, comment, share, and share this with your friend if they are also learning English language, especially if they are learning how to speak English language more fluently and more confidently and more naturally. So do not forget to share this video with them, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm very bad in saying all these sentences and lines that please like, comment, share. So that's why I make some mistakes, but please pardon me for that, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you.